Welcome back to Auto Legends, where we bring you the newest machines, boldest builds, and the stories behind the vehicles turning heads everywhere. Today we're diving into something a little different, something crafted for adventure, for the open road, and for those who want their SUV to be more than transportation. This is the 2026 GMC Terrain Camper Conversion, a compact crossover transformed into a surprisingly capable mobile escape pod. Let's start with the exterior because this conversion doesn't try to hide what it is, it celebrates it. The 2026 Terrain already has a refreshed, more muscular look compared to previous years, with sharper LED signatures, a wider front fascia, and more sculpted sides. But the camper treatment gives it real presence. The lift kit raises ground clearance just enough to handle forest roads and light overlanding without turning the Terrain into something unwieldy. A set of all-terrain tires wraps around matte black wheels, giving the SUV a tougher stance without sacrificing daily comfort. On the roof, the standout feature is a low-profile modular rack system that holds a compact clamshell rooftop tent. The lines match the Terrain's design so cleanly that it almost looks like a factory option. Beside the tent, there's space for max tracks, a portable solar panel, and even a small side-mounted awning that deploys quickly when you want shade or shelter at camp. The rear features a swing-out utility arm that supports a spare tire mount and a fold-down table, perfect for quick cooking setups or gear repairs on the go. Despite all the added equipment, the conversion avoids feeling cluttered. Everything is intentionally placed, purposeful, and balanced. Inside, the Terrain maintains its familiar premium feel, but the camper setup adds a layer of utility that transforms how the interior is used. The rear seats fold completely flat, creating a continuous platform that supports a custom-built storage and sleeping system. Slide-out drawers hold cooking equipment, recovery tools, and clothing. A small 12-volt fridge nests behind the driver's seat, easily accessible from the side door. Soft touch panels and ambient lighting from the 2026 Terrain update remain, giving the cabin an unexpectedly refined vibe even when you're miles from civilization. The front space stays mostly stock, comfortable, supportive seats, a crisp digital gauge cluster, and GMC's latest infotainment interface displayed through a vivid touchscreen. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in satellite connectivity help route trips even when signal drops off. The idea here isn't to rebuild the cockpit, it's to make sure the driver still enjoys the road as much as the campsite. Now let's talk about performance, because while this isn't a rock crawler, the 2026 GMC Terrain Camper Conversion is more capable than you might expect. Under the hood, the updated turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers a strong balance of power and efficiency. The torque comes on early, giving the SUV enough grunt to handle steep dirt roads or merging onto the highway with a fully loaded gear setup. The all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently, and with the slight suspension lift and upgraded tires, traction feels confident in gravel, mud, or soft sand. Even with the rooftop tent and added equipment, the Terrain remains stable at higher speeds thanks to its well-tuned chassis and modern driver assist features. Fuel economy naturally dips compared to the standard model, but the setup is still efficient for a camper build. Combined with the portable solar panel feeding a secondary battery system, longer off-grid stays become practical without needing to idle the engine for power. Overall, the 2026 GMC Terrain Camper Conversion proves that adventure-ready. Rigs don't have to be huge, intimidating, or expensive. It blends practicality with comfort, capability with compact convenience, and daily usability with weekend freedom. If you're someone who wants a vehicle that can tackle Monday through Friday while being ready to roll into the wilderness at a moment's notice, this Terrain conversion might be one of the smartest and most stylish options out there. Thanks for watching Auto Legends. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 GMC Terrain Camper Conversion, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more builds and reviews coming your way.